Today we uncover some of these remarkable numerical phenomena that demonstrate the divine nature of the Quran. Let's dive in. Allah says in the Holy Qur'an, "Then do they not reflect upon the Quran? If it had been from any other than Allah, they would have found within it much contradiction. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth." Alif, Lam, Ra. This is a book whose verses are perfected and then presented in detail from one who is wise and acquainted. The word and its antonym in the Holy Qur'an, Al-Hayat, life, 145 times Al-Maut, death, 145 times. Al-Dunya, mundane life, 115 times Al-Ajira, the afterlife, 115 times Malaika, angels, 88 times Shayatin, demons, 88 times Ar-Rajul, man, 24 times Al-Mara, woman, 24 times Ar-Ragba, wish, 8 times Al-Jawf, fear, 8 times as Salihat, good deeds, 167 times as Sayya'at, wrongdoings, 167 times An-Nafa, benefit, 50 times Al-Fasad, corruption, 50 times. The word and its meaning, number of times it's been mentioned in the Quran, Al-Musiba, adversity, 75 times Shukr, thanks, 75 times Al-Jar in public, 16 times Alanya, notoriety, 16 times Al-Aql, intellect, 49 times An-Nur, divine light, 49 times Al-Lisan, tongue, 25 times Al-Maudiya, sermon, 25 times Ashida, pressure, 102 times Saber, patience, 102 times Kul, say, 332 times Kalu, said, 332 times An-Nas, people, 50 times An-Nabiya, prophets, 50 times Al-Muslimat, Muslim women, 41 times Al-Muslimin, Muslim men, 41 times Zakat, alms, 88 times Baraka, blessing, 88 times. In conclusion, the miracle of the numbers in Quran is a testament to the divine wisdom and perfection that underlies the teachings of the Quran. Subscribe us on YouTube. Educate yourself with Islamic knowledge. Just Urdu English Quran translations available on our page.